Hi guys, this is Corso, the Review Tech. Today we're going to unbox the Selfie ring light. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so I got this Selfie ring light on eBay for $3. I will drop a link in the description if you guys want to get one of these items. It's come from China, so it took like a month to arrive, but you know, it wasn't something that I needed right away, so I could wait for it. Alright, let's open the box. So this is the only thing we get, the Selfie ring light, and you need to get 2 AAA batteries. Then I'm gonna get it right now. Here we go, and after that quick snap, we got our batteries right here. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on. Alright, we just put the batteries on, and this is to turn it on and off right here. There you go, that's on, brighter, and brighter, then off. So you have 3 levels of brightness. 1, 2, 3, and it really gets really bright. And we're gonna do a couple pictures so you guys can see better. And let's remove the plastic. Okay, and once you get it like this, the only thing you have to do is open it, snap it like that. It won't block the selfie camera. If you want it the other way around, you do the same. You open it, turn it around, and it doesn't block the back camera either. So that's the 2 different ways you can use the selfie ring. But because it's a selfie ring, we're gonna take selfies. So now let's take the pictures. Okay guys, so as you can see, this selfie ring light works really well on low light conditions, and it's only $3 guys. The only thing you have to do, get a pair of these and you're good to go. Easy, as simple as that. Turn on 3 levels right here, 1, 2, 3, then you turn it off. So this little part right here is made out of rubber, which is really good because it's gonna stay secure in place while you put it on your cell phone. So it's really good. Doesn't feel like it's gonna get loose or anything. It feels really well put together. Only for $3, I think it's a steal, guys. Really good price. Okay guys, so remember, if you guys want to get this item, I will drop a link in the description. It was only $3 on eBay. This is Corso guys at the Review Tech. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I see you in the next episode.